Android phone as microphone on your PC or USB on Bluetooth. First of all, what you have to do, go to Play Store on your phone, here the Play Store, and download this one, WO Mic. Install it in your Android phone. You have seen it, I have already installed it in my Android phone set. First of all, you have to download it into your phone, then open it. The first option you have seen here is the transport virtual MISC setting. You have to select the setting here. Either you have to select USB, you have to select Bluetooth, you have to select USB. You are using your source media, Wi-Fi or your Wi-Fi direct network. Control port. What you have to do the assign the control port in that app. This app is the best for use your microphone as your Android mobile, and this is the easiest way to use a phone or in your PC using your Android phone. I think I have used this software many times and recorded the videos here in my channel also. Then what you have to do, first of all I am selecting the USB. I am not connected to the system right now. Then you have to click on play. Then the recording will be start here, and you have to record what you have to do. So this is it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like it. Hope you have enjoyed my video a lot.